Hey everybody, today is, I don't know what today is. Today is the 17th, August, somewhere, something. And I'm about 40 minutes from my house in West Little Rock. I'm going up the Alum branch of the Saline River. Tried to go to one of my old haunts. Unfortunately, they're no longer letting people park along the road there, so I'm gonna have to cross that one off the list. Unfortunately, it's too bad, but you know, whatever. Such is life. But we're gonna get after, see if we can't catch some smallmouth, some brim, just whatever bites. Come on with me. Golly, look at that fish. There we go. Yep. Yep. Oh, finally. I got you. Chill out. Finally. Golly. So glad we're recording. Well, whatever. Still fun to catch. I would prefer you were bigger. All the way over. Oh, look at you. Another bluegill. There we go. What is up with that? Oh, look at that. How funny. What? I'm counting that. Oh, jeez. Boy, that was way smaller than it should have been. Okay. Ow, 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 ow. Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. He's really bleeding. Okay, good smallmouth. Yes. Come on, stay on. Oh, you still on? Yes. Come on. Yeah. Oh shoot. Stop. Okay. Are you okay? Oh, I don't know if you're okay. Oh, thank you for biting. Thank you for biting. That was so cool because it chased it all the way down. long day. I don't know how many hours I was gone for. It was quite a few, but You know, I wasn't sure how things were gonna go. I really did not catch very much on the way up. I caught one good smallmouth on a Helgermite. I lost a couple good fish, which was just really frustrating. Just not sure. I don't know what happened there, but just really had a good day. It was nice to be out. The kids are back in school. I'm just looking forward to a little bit of extra free time, a little bit of a schedule to kind of work with and everything. So that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will catch you on the next one. Bye.